If you ever got in your car, you push the start button and you receive this message here, key not detected, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. Welcome to Tech Tuesday, where we talk about everything that pertains to cars and technology. So your key fob is not working when you press the start button. So 9 times out of 10, the reason why that's going to happen is because you have a bad battery. Now, if you are in a situation where you do not have an extra battery and you are out and you need to start the car, there is a way to still start the car even though your key fob is not being detected when you go to press the start button. So the first thing to recognize is that this button actually does come off. So you just kind of take it and you get underneath and you pull it off. So it actually is kind of a key fob in itself. This right here is not just a cover. This is like the tip of your key fob. So you don't want to misplace that. Then what you would do is you would take your key fob and you would insert it. Once you turn it, you will see that everything lights up as normal and you are ready to start the car. So if you were in a situation where you had to use the key fob and it wasn't being recognized, that is the way that you would go about starting the car and getting to where you need to go. The battery is probably going to be the main reason that your key fob is not being detected. So I've showed you that you can still use your key fob if it's not being detected, but let me show you how to change the battery. It's a few specifics to it and I want to show you that. So let's get into that.
Note, the only size battery that will fit is a CR2025. At the top of the key fob, you will see a slider. This unlocks the physical key inside of the key fob. You want to pull that out. And then on one side of the key fob, you will see a slit. You want to take the tip of the key and insert that into that hole, and it will pop open the latch and the back plane will come off. As you can see there is a little tab that you push in, and that is how you get the back off to reveal the battery. Using a flathead screwdriver or something that's relatively small, you can pry out very gently, you don't want to go in too hard, very gently pry out the battery. Once you have the old battery out, you want to put the new one in. And this is the reason why you can only use a 2025 is because it is thin enough to fit in the hole. Like true German fashion, it's pretty precise. So then we put on the back plane, reinsert the key, and you're good to go.
Alright, so now you can see we have the key back, and when you press the button, it recognizes it and the car starts up. Alright guys, there you have it, our first Tech Tuesday. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, as well as consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on future Tech Tuesdays and other videos. And until next time, I'm out.